So guys, this is Corey Mills again. I just got the Naxa Dual Pro wireless microphone system in the back. Just came in today, and I did a video for that already, but the Pyle also just came in. And also disregard the white noise on the video where I connected to the wireless microphone system to the mixer back there. Disregard that. I just moved the module to a different location and the white noise went away. It went away. So it's good. Here, use this one. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this thing right here. Again, I want you to take a look at the model number down there. Great. You can pause the video for the rest if you need to capture it. Back of the box is the same essentially. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box. They have a little sticker right here. And I don't have fingernails. Well, long fingernails, I'll say that. So I'm gonna have to more like claw the little sticker tape off, and we're gonna see what we have in this box. So voila, what we have in the box is this container, and then we have this owner's manual. It's always best to order it's always best to order like a replacement plan or something like this. Yeah, I think you just right with it. But it's always best to order replacement part for these, and like a replacement plan. I meant for these plan is typically about $4 for the price. So I paid for this. Paid about $30 for this set as well, just to compare them. Get a free 3-month warranty extension. To participate, okay, write a review, Samsung, wherever you bought it from, and then go from there. So what comes in the box is a detachable. The difference between this module and that module, number one, is the detachable AC adapter here. Yeah, detachable adapter. The other adapter is not detachable, just a cord that runs into the back of the machine, into the back of the module. What you have here also is the audio key, which will come with it. And what I also see, which I didn't see at first in the last box, but it was in there, was two 9-volt batteries to go to the system. And I did test the Naxas out, and they work pretty well. They do. I gotta say myself, they work well. All right. The mixer does as well. I tested on the Echo and everything. It did. So let's see the module first. I was going to show you the microphone. Let's see the module first. It's wrapped pretty well. Modules lightweight, about the same weight as the other one. So make sure that this thing does not fall off a hot surface, or if it falls, make sure that it's okay. Like, you know, it probably would send a fall from maybe like this high. I'm sitting on the floor in front of my couch right now. But just try not to make it fall. It's good. There's also another difference on this module right here. On this system, you have an individual volume level on the module, the receiver, and you don't have it on the other one. So that's another comparison here. A detachable versus detachable adapter, and then you have the individual knobs for the individual mic receivers. The antennas are on the top of these, and on the other module, the antennas were on the back. So essentially, they're in the same location, very similar location. It's just on the back of the other ones. So what is this? Okay. There we go. Channel A plus B out. Okay, so what you can do here, I guess you can, let me look at this again. Well, I guess they probably did this because it was supposed to be like a separate one, but it works like the one audio cable works for both channels on here. But this one right here was apparently it was going to be another channel, just individually, one channel for A and then one channel for B, but they combined both of them. So I'm going to let you look at the back of that again. If you didn't see it. Now we're going to get to the microphones. Uh, the design of the microphone itself, when I first looked at it online, I thought it was like strange. It reminded me of a shark or something. So it is a bit strange. The design, the look of the microphone feels strange to even hold. This is not like completely round like your typical microphone, but it do have an on and okay, so it has an on, a standby, and an off switch. But what you see on the microphone itself is just on and off. You don't see the standby. You don't see the standby symbol, but it's on there. It's obviously on there. So I'm gonna make sure this thing is turned off, and I'm going to open the battery. So another distinguishing, like on the other handset, on the Naxa handset, you unscrew. Here you just unclip the module, and the same thing here. You just, there's no little wires you pull out and clip on. You just put it in there. And I think, let me see the module. So the positive side is facing toward the clip. The negative side is facing toward the intersection. So this is what we have. Are they color coded? What we do have is green and orange. So as long as we don't take these tags off right here, we're good. They'll be color coded. HF Professional Wireless Microphone System is what it says. And I guess that right there was essentially conclude. Or actually, before I do anything, I'm going to pause this video, and then I'm going to go back there and I'm going to connect it to the system, and then I'll let you hear the differences in the microphone qualities. Just let me put the batteries in. All right. So right now we're going to compare this one. This is the Pyle, and then this right here is the Naxa. There is also another difference on the module. On the Naxa, it doesn't have like the adjustable gain, so it's like already like has a gain, a very strong gain on it. And on the Pyle, it has adjustable volume knob for the microphones. So we're gonna go and test the Naxa first.
Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, here we go. This is testing the Naxa NAM-984.
Now we're going to be testing this one right here, the Pyle.
This is testing the Pyle, which sounds really good. The Naxa sounds pretty good as well. Let me go ahead and tune it to original, and this is that, and this is that, and this is that, so, and this is that, this is that, this is that, this is Naxa, this is Pyle, this is Naxa, this is Pyle. Turning up volume A, microphone A, volume A. This is Pyle. This is Naxa. Let me try to match the texture. Texture. This is that. Clear. Testing.
All right, so to me, the Pyle sounds better, it's really good interface, probably because the design itself.
Testing.
Both of them do a really good job what you need them to do, but I like the quality of this one here.
Testing. Testing, testing,
Yeah. Testing, 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 test. 1, 2. Test 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11,
15, 17. That's not counting. I'm just counting out numbers.
numbers,
15,
17,
84,
89, 37.
72. This one right here has more isolation of the vocals, and this right here is more dynamic, I guess, picks up
A lot more around the microphone itself.
yeah, while this one is picking up something more direct. There we have it.